Peavey MSP1 complete microphone kit. Picked this up a few days ago. Haven't got it out of the box, so I didn't take it out, repackage it. It's going to be a complete setup on what's in the package here from Peavey. This complete kit, as you can see, it's not a bad kit at all. You can't beat it for the money. This kit, I paid $50 for this microphone kit. It comes with a cardioid dynamic mic stand with boom, LXR 1/4 inch cable, mic bag, mic clip, and carrying bag. Now you can get this mic with 1/4 inch to LXR or just LXR. They sell it per the box separately, so you can pick out what you want. So, I mean, with the mic stand, it's got the bag, comes with the cable, carrying case, $50. It's a dynamic cardioid mic. It's not the highest end mic by any means, but if you're doing singing or just YouTube videos, which that's what I'm going to be using it for, is YouTube videos. I mean, you can't really beat it. I mean, if you drop it, you're not out that much money. And heck, if you do break it, you still got the stand. I mean, stands alone are anywhere from $30 to over $100. So, you know, it's not a bad deal, and it's from Peavey. Anybody that's familiar with Peavey that plays guitar, I'm sure is. And everything they got, their PA systems, amplifiers. And Eddie Van Halen played Peavey for years, 6505. And we'll go ahead and get this unboxed, and we'll put it together. That way everybody knows what they're getting. Complete unboxing. There we go, it's in a bag. Try to do this without tearing up anything I got. Computer sitting right beside me. There it is in the bag. Here's the case. The Peavey logo on the case. Pretty cool, Peavey. I mean, Peavey makes guitars, PA systems, amplifiers. I mean, if you got anything from hard rock and roll to light rock and roll to full-blown heavy metal. So I'm gonna grab a knife real quick here. Probably should have already got that, but it's close. Got a little zip tie on it right here. Just gonna take the knife and pop that off there. Too bad. It's got a handle on it. Carry it around. Now everything's in this bag. The microphone, the cable, the microphone bag kit, little Velcro strap on the top here. Zips back around the other way. And here we are, what's in the bag. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the camera so everybody can see this. So you got, there's the cable. Oh, here's the mic. in its own mic bag. It's padded. It's cool. It's got like a little green zip or drawstring on it. Here's the clip. It's plastic. It's not brass threaded, but I got one over here on my other mic. Mic up my Marshall. And here's the stand. I'll go ahead and put this back over here now. Here's the stand. It's pretty heavy. It's well constructed. The base is made out of a polymer. It's heavy duty. It's real heavy duty. There's a telescopic up and for the mic. I'll go ahead and unfold this out. Like I said, that the casting on it, aluminum, is really, really nice. I'll go ahead and pull this out, tighten it up a little bit so it's not in the way. But yeah, the legs on it are really stout. So here's your scope down for your legs. You can bring that all the way up. Go ahead and get it up. Tighten down the lock nut there on it. It's beefy, it's heavy. I mean, it's not going to turn over on stage or if you're micing an amp. Seems real well. It's got nice padded feet on it. They're heavy duty too. Like I said, I'm primarily going to be using this for doing like videos, but I can sing out of it too. Okay. Drop that down a little bit more. We'll put the mic on there. There's the clips for your mic cable right here. It's got one on it. Right there. That's a bonus. These things like to pop off though if you don't watch them, you lose them. And it's got your other clip for your cable on this side. You tighten that down, get your angle. Go ahead and get the mic out. There's the mic again, I'll show you. It's got the cool Peavey emblem on it. It's nice and soft. Looks like it's got some bubbling. It's insulated bubbling in it, padded. Go ahead and open that up. Get her out. Now we'll just drop that on the ground. There we go. Right. Here's the mic. That's got the good, nice Peavey emblem on it. Peavey i100. Kind of curious what this will sound up. Live mic to a amp. Might do a video on that. Yeah, there's the Peavey logo. There's your on off switch right there. There's the XLR port. Switch feels good. It's not loose, it's not overly tight. It's a good looking mic, as far as that goes. Alright, let's get out the LXR to 1/4 inch. This is what I'm using. I go into my interface. I'm going to do a video on Scarlett i2 Soloist interface. Here's the cable. It's all tied together. 1/4 inch. And like I said, Peavey offers this in the same packaging with LXR on each end. So if you want to do that, which is nice nowadays, you got these 1/4 inch outputs too, so you can go in an interface at home or on stage too. And get it untied here. Get it out. Oh, and it's a 20-foot cord too. So I mean, you're getting a pretty good amount of cord, you know. Can't beat that. So we'll go ahead, get some of it out here, and snap in the mic. Snap that in, see how it clicks in there. Oh yeah, it clicks in real good. There it is. Okay, now on the mic clip right here, we'll go ahead and put it on the stand. See how that installs on there. There we go. There's your locking nut there for it. Tighten it down so it don't move. And it all works rather well. Scope it out. Alright, we'll go ahead and put the mic on there. See how it fits in. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. And there's your mic clip. Alright. Looks good. Not too shabby at all. There you go. And it's got good height. And they had one of these open at the store, so I'll have to move the camera. Like I said, I'm going to be using the stand also too for mic and amp. And I'll grab the camera, but I'm going to drop it down just to see, so you can see how low it goes as far as you're going down your speakers. So you're right here, I'm about 6 inches off the ground, and I don't have this down, so I'll drop that down all the way to the floor. As you can see, the mic's all the way down to the floor, and then you just spin it and you can get it right up to your amplifier. Not a bad deal. Like I said, I'm going to try it as far as live mic to an amplifier. I might do a video on that, but primarily just for singing or using it for my YouTube channel as far as instruction. And that's pretty much it as far as that goes. But that's it, man. LXR to 1/4 inch complete microphone kit. Peavey MSP1 complete mic set. Thanks for watching.